Hi, welcome to Attainable Green. I'm Jess, and today we're going to talk about my Catasetum orchids. So for the month of August, I had to move my plants from its current location to a sunnier spot since it's fastly losing light. Also, for the better part of the month, I had to battle spider mites and thrips. And luckily, most of the plants are pretty protected. There are a few that definitely look a little worse for wear, but they should be okay. So I'm going to be talking about these plants in 3 sections. 1, maturing pseudobulbs. 2, still growing leaves. And 3, problems or special cases. Okay, let's begin. The first group of plants are the ones maturing their pseudobulbs. So I can't say enough about the Catasetum Portagee star crossed with lucis. It's an overachiever. So not only is it growing a giant pseudobulb that's bigger than last year, it's also growing a second growth, and the new growth is leafing out and just shooting up so fast. 7 other plants are also in this stage of growth. You can tell because at the apex or crown of the plant, there are no more new leaves coming out. Instead, the base of the plant has started to swell and get fat, so hopefully we'll have some nice, good-looking pseudobulbs coming in. 2 of my plants had spider mite issues, and 2 plants kind of fell out of the trellis, so they look a little worse for wear, but they'll be okay. This next section covers plants in active growth. Basically, it means that it's still growing new leaves. And you can tell because at the apex or crown of the plant, there's still a little leaf peeking out from the top. There's still a couple months for it to grow, so I'm not worried about it yet, and it'll be okay. There's about 10 plants in this group, and I was most surprised by the growth of the marmodias. The marmodies and cloesias tend to mature later in the season than average catasetums. They bloom later too, so they're right on track in terms of their growth habit. Despite being smaller and more compact, they're still vigorous, and the plants overall just seem very healthy. Most of my tigrinum hybrids were hit by spider mites, and I think they were just particularly susceptible to them, so I'll just have to be extra careful with them next year. So in this last section, I'm going to talk about the problem plants, or the special cases. And the first one is the Chloesia Greyston Chadsford. This one had about 8 new growths last month, and this month there's only 1 left. And you know what happened? They rotted away. Basically, it got like a soft rot, or winia, I think it's called, and yeah, the growths didn't survive. So I'm not sure what I did wrong, but I'll just have to keep an eye on it. As for the Clowesia Russelliana, the growth is slow. There are a lot of new growths coming out and some very small roots, but it could be better. The pseudobulb is starting to shrivel very severely, so I know that it's not going to make it past this season. The new growths have to be the ones to support this plant. Otherwise, it's a goner. Lastly, I have a new addition, which is the Cloesia warscewiczii Baker's Panama crossed with SVO. Now this plant is very healthy. It has 1 new growth and 2 smaller ones. And you can tell because it just looks very healthy and very vigorous. Well, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, Attainable Green, for all the latest updates, and hit the bell so you never miss an episode. Bye!